Darvanalee Design Studio. My name's Nicole Reed and this is Pattern Review Weekly. So today I'm talking about Down the Grapevine Lane Rainbow Swirl Mini Quilt. It was the quilt that I did in my Finish It Friday last week, and I just wanted to show you what you actually get for your money for these $6 cards. So that's what I charge for these in my Etsy store, and basically what happens is you get this card. It doesn't come in any sort of wrapping or anything like that. It is just basically a pattern card. So this particular one, as you can see, it's got the picture of it on the front. It tells you what it is, and then when it opens up, it's got some very basic instructions on how to do your half square triangles and what fabrics you need and all that sort of stuff. And it also has a diagram of how you need to lay it out as well. On the back of the card, it tells you what you need for the pattern. As I said, it does go into some depth how to assemble your half square triangles, and there's many of them. There are, just having a look, there's quite a few. It doesn't actually say how many there are, but you need a few to do this one. So the size of the pattern ends up being 23.5 inches square, which is a good size. It tells you everything that you need, including your binding, backing fabric and your batting that you will need. Yeah, so a very simple pattern, $6 in my Etsy store. Unfortunately, I sold out on Friday, and so I have more, but I have ordered more, and they are coming back to my store probably within the next 4 or 5 days. So if you do happen to head over to our Etsy store, just hit the favorite button, and that way when I load it up, you'll actually get a notification that I've added something new to the store. So as you can see, I've made it in the background here, and it's a lovely little pattern to do. So if you like this video today, give us a thumbs up down below. Hit the subscribe button and the little bell icon beside it, and that way you won't miss out on any future posts. My name's Nicole Reed for Darvanalee Design Studio, and this is Pattern Review Weekly. See you all again next week. Bye for now.